There's a very special news coming from that side of the Lucknow, that Lucknow has become an open zoo. I mean, I'm not joking. Okay, so in case you guys are confused at what I'm saying right now, there's a leopard roaming. Yeah, I mean a real leopard. The Tendua, the real leopard is roaming around on the streets of the residential area of Kalyanpur, which is situated in Lucknow. Look at this. Can you guys just see this? So I mean, yeah, Lucknow has become a open zoo. Okay, so there's a thing with this leopard. He's kind of a tourer. He's not an animal. He's not a predator. He's a tourer. He just came to Lucknow. He can roam around the Lucknow, travel in Lucknow. I mean, this leopard is like a traveler. And why I'm saying that? I'm just saying that because it was spotted near Kalyanpur, and now today that the leopard is right now in a Takroi side. So this leopard is not like a predator or some dangerous animal, dangerous species who just want to hunt down human beings. He's a traveler actually. He traveled from Jankipuram to Takroi. I don't know how. Did he take electric bus? Did he take metro? I don't know. But he did travel from Jankipuram to Takroi, and in Takroi he's just staying there in a OU room. Okay, so jokes aside, that animal is really dangerous, and I think that forest department should have to take a really strict action against it, because if that predator is going to live on the streets of Lucknow, many people are going to get harmed by that leopard. As you can see, there's no place in this park where I can just put my bag down and take out my camera. Okay, so I'm back to a Sharma again. I'm having my samosa as usual. But yeah, samosa is decent enough. Okay, so if you guys are feeling that it's a really weird weather, you're kind of right, and that's because this is the next day. Yes, I took a day off, and this is the next day. Today is Tuesday actually, 28th of December. And also there's one more news for you guys. The leopard I was talking about way early in this vlog. Okay, so according to Hindustan Times, leopard may have been gone, but Lucknow resident told to be remain alert. I mean, it's not caught. Probably they are assuming that it's gone to its habitat, and also alerted the citizen of Lucknow to just remain alert. Okay, so look, there are too many fake news around this leopard thing, right? Or okay, so is that human standing? What? What the hell is going on in Lucknow? I mean, that is a sewer, I think, and the person was just coming from that sewer. I mean, what? Okay, so Lucknow is definitely blowing my mind off. Whatever is happening in Lucknow, I mean, what the hell was that? I just don't have any idea. I'm confused right now. What that guy was doing inside that sewer? I mean that is completely weird. So yeah, what I was saying. Yeah, I was saying that in Lucknow there are a lot of fake news are coming up. Leopard went here, leopard went there, and there are too many fake news just roaming around this leopard. Probably if you are listening something from anyone, just cross check it twice, because there is a possibility of fake news in that news. Okay, so if you don't know, I have two lenses. This is like a normal lens, and this is a wide angle lens. Right now I'm going to switch to my normal lens. This is a kit lens, and then I'll show to you that how wide this lens is actually. Let me switch the lens and then I'll talk to you. Okay, so I think my camera is focusing right now, and yeah, this is at 18 millimeter. This is a telephoto lens, so I can zoom more in this lens. I mean, I can zoom right here. It's too much. Let me show you the otherwise. Yes, so as you can see, this is at 18 millimeter, and whenever I zoom in, it's like here, and as you can see, it can zoom a lot. I mean, this is too much for my camera, and this is too much for my frame actually. It is too narrow. So yeah, this is my kit lens, and now I'll switch back to my this lens. This is a 10 to 20 mm wide angle lens. Okay, so now this is a wide angle lens. Okay, so it's raining too heavily. I should go somewhere else. Okay, so right now we are in a shed. So yeah, as you can see, that wide angle lens is actually pretty wide. I mean, it's covering a lot of the area in this frame. This is the difference between a normal lens and a wide angle lens. Okay, so right now I'm here at inside LU, and standing in front of Mahatma Gandhi. I'm just here with my friend, and also we have a dogs right here. Hello doggy.
चलो जाओ, बाय।
So as you can see, right now I'm standing over here on the 1090 Chauraha and just enjoying the weather here. Okay, so in this vlog, whatever I've told you about the leopard thing, whatever I've just told you about the leopard, take it with a pinch of salt, because probably some of the things are hoax, some of the things are like fake news. Take the everything about the leopard in this vlog with a pinch of salt, and the fake news is revolving all around the Lucknow. Yeah, what can I say? I'm not installed a GPS or a GoPro on the leopard, so I can track him down. But yeah, I'm also a citizen like you guys. Right now the situation is not clear at all. Some other news channel is saying some other thing, some other newspaper is saying some other thing. Yeah, there's no legit proof of this leopard thing. As you can see that right now I'm here at 1090 Chauraha, and as you can see it's evening time, almost a dark. So as you can see it's dark back there, and we're gonna meet in the next vlog. I mean, what do you mean by next vlog, sir? I'm doing a daily vlog, so yeah. So yeah, stay connected to this channel, and we're gonna meet in next vlog.